Welcome to our journey through the evolution of pharmaceuticals in the 19th century. This era marked a turning point in medical history, as traditional remedies began to give way to scientific advancements. The 1800s were a time of rapid change, with new discoveries and innovations shaping the way we understand and use medicine today. In this video, we'll explore how the pharmaceutical world transformed, from humble beginnings to the foundations of modern drug development. Let's start by looking at what medicine was like at the dawn of the 19th century. The early 1800s, most medicines were derived from plants, minerals, and animal products. Apothecaries and local healers prepared remedies using traditional recipes passed down through generations. There was little regulation, and the effectiveness of these treatments varied widely. People relied heavily on herbal concoctions, tinctures, and powders, often with unpredictable results. This period was characterized by a blend of folklore and emerging scientific curiosity, setting the stage for the pharmaceutical revolution to come. As the 19th century progressed, chemistry began to play a crucial role in medicine. Scientists started isolating active compounds from plants, leading to more precise and effective treatments. This shift from whole plant remedies to purified chemicals marked a major advancement. Chemists like Friedrich Serdöner, who isolated morphine from opium, paved the way for the development of modern pharmaceuticals. The application of chemistry brought a new level of reliability and consistency to medicine. One of the most significant breakthroughs of the 19th century was the isolation of morphine. In 1804, Friedrich Serdöner, a German pharmacist, successfully extracted the active ingredient from opium. Morphine quickly became a widely used painkiller, revolutionizing pain management. Its discovery demonstrated the power of scientific research in creating potent and targeted medications. However, it also introduced new challenges, such as addiction, that would shape future pharmaceutical development. Another milestone was the use of quinine to treat malaria. Derived from the bark of the cinchona tree, quinine became the first effective treatment for this deadly disease. Its success highlighted the importance of plant-based compounds and inspired further research into natural sources for medicines. Quinine's impact extended beyond medicine, influencing global exploration and colonial expansion by enabling Europeans to survive in malaria-prone regions. Introduction of anesthesia was a game-changer for surgery and pain management. In the mid-1800s, substances like ether and chloroform began to be used to render patients unconscious during operations. This breakthrough made complex surgeries safer and less traumatic, opening new possibilities for medical procedures. The development of anesthesia showcased the growing sophistication of pharmaceutical science and its direct impact on patient care. As pharmaceutical science advanced, the need for standardization became clear. Inconsistent dosages and varying quality of medicines posed risks to patients. The 19th century saw the emergence of pharmacopoeias, official publications listing standardized drug formulas and dosages. These efforts helped ensure that medicines were safer, more effective, and consistent, laying the groundwork for modern pharmaceutical regulation. The 19th century also witnessed the rise of pharmaceutical companies. Small-scale apothecaries evolved into larger businesses focused on manufacturing and distributing medicines. Companies like Merck and Bayer began as family-run operations and grew into industry leaders. This shift enabled mass production, wider distribution, and greater investment in research and development, accelerating the pace of pharmaceutical innovation. Toward the end of the 19th century, scientists began creating synthetic drugs in laboratories. The first synthetic drug, chloral hydrate, was introduced as a sedative. This marked a shift from relying solely on natural sources to designing medicines with specific properties. The ability to synthesize drugs opened new possibilities for treating diseases and managing symptoms, setting the stage for the pharmaceutical advances of the 20th century. With the rise of new medicines came concerns about safety and quality. The lack of regulation led to dangerous products and false claims. In response, governments began to introduce laws to oversee the production and sale of pharmaceuticals. These early regulations aimed to protect the public from harmful substances and ensure that medicines were accurately labeled and tested, paving the way for modern drug safety standards. Pharmacists became increasingly important during the 19th century. Their expertise in preparing and dispensing medicines made them trusted members of the healthcare community. As pharmaceutical science advanced, pharmacists played a key role in ensuring the safe and effective use of new drugs. They also contributed to the development of standardized practices and the professionalization of pharmacy as a field. The 19th century saw significant improvements in medical education. Universities and medical schools began to emphasize scientific training, laboratory work, and clinical experience. This shift helped produce a new generation of doctors and pharmacists who were better equipped to understand and apply pharmaceutical science. The focus on education and research contributed to the rapid progress in medicine during this period. Development of vaccines was another major achievement of the 19th century. Building on Edward Jenner's work with smallpox, scientists created vaccines for diseases like rabies and cholera. Immunization campaigns began to reduce the spread of deadly illnesses, saving countless lives. The success of vaccines demonstrated the power of preventive medicine and inspired further research into disease prevention. Introduction of antiseptics transformed surgery and patient care. Joseph Lister's use of carbolic acid to sterilize surgical instruments and wounds drastically reduced infections. This breakthrough made surgery safer and improved recovery rates. The adoption of antiseptic techniques highlighted the growing understanding of germs and the importance of cleanliness in medical practice. Medicines became popular in the 19th century, often marketed as cure-alls for a variety of ailments. These products were widely advertised and sold without prescriptions, but many contained questionable ingredients and made exaggerated claims. The popularity of patent medicines highlighted the need for regulation and consumer protection, eventually leading to stricter laws and oversight. 19th century saw the gradual entry of women into the field of pharmacy. Although initially excluded from formal education and professional roles, women began to break barriers and contribute to pharmaceutical science. Their involvement paved the way for greater diversity and inclusion in the industry, enriching the field with new perspectives and talents. Advances in transportation and communication facilitated the global exchange of medical knowledge. Scientists and doctors shared discoveries across continents, accelerating the spread of new treatments and ideas. This international collaboration helped standardize medical practices and contributed to the rapid evolution of pharmaceuticals during the 19th century. Public health initiatives gained momentum in the 19th century, focusing on sanitation, vaccination, and disease prevention. Governments and organizations launched campaigns to improve hygiene and control outbreaks. These efforts, supported by advances in pharmaceuticals, contributed to longer life expectancies and better overall health for populations around the world. Despite remarkable progress, the 19th century pharmaceutical industry faced challenges and controversies. Issues like drug safety, addiction, and false advertising raised concerns among the public and medical professionals. These challenges prompted calls for greater oversight and accountability, shaping the future direction of pharmaceutical regulation and ethics. Innovations and reforms of the 19th century laid the foundation for modern pharmaceuticals. Advances in chemistry, regulation, and education transformed medicine into a science-based profession. The legacy of this era is evident in the safe, effective, and diverse range of medicines available today. The 19th century's spirit of discovery and progress continues to inspire ongoing research and development in the pharmaceutical industry. As we reflect on the evolution of pharmaceuticals in the 19th century, it's clear that this period was a time of profound transformation. The shift from traditional remedies to scientifically developed drugs revolutionized healthcare and improved countless lives. The challenges faced and overcome during this era continue to inform the way medicines are developed, regulated, and used today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a pivotal chapter in medical history.